Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Today is Wednesday, November 5th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes showed gains today. The S&P 500 closed at 6,795.95, up 24.41 points. Dow 30 added 225.87 points, closing at 47,311.12. The Nasdaq Composite finished at 23,499.80, up 151.15 points, reflecting a very strong positive trend. Focusing on market breadth, the S&P 500 saw 301 advances to 192 declines, showing positive momentum. However, the Dow 30 lagged with 14 advances against 16 declines despite the strong day. Looking at total and daily returns, the Nasdaq Composite stands out with a year-to-date return of 21.69%. In contrast, the S&P 400 mid-cap shows a modest gain of 3.72% YTD, indicating mixed trends. In sector performance, the communication services sector leads with a 1.6% rise today, closing at 428.93. A very strong positive trend underscores this move. Consumer cyclical follows closely, up 1.1%, indicating robust gains across both sectors. The consumer defensive sector experienced a downward breakout, dropping 0.24% to 847.4. In contrast, the technology sector also slipped, closing down 0.078% at 5,843.14, despite maintaining a strong positive trend overall. Global markets are showing strength, led by Brazil at a one-year high, up 2.8% to 32.8, marking an upward breakout. Israel also hits a new all-time high, closing at 103.90 with 2.2% gain, experiencing some upward volatility today. In returns, Spain showcases resilience with a significant year-to-date total return of 62.32%. Meanwhile, Brazil continues its momentum with a year-to-date return of 42.51%, demonstrating strong market positions. In today's tech sector, Apple closed slightly up, ending at 270.14, marking the second day of gains, with a very strong positive trend despite recent sideways movement. Alphabet surged 2.4% to 284.75, achieving a new all-time high. Amazon edged up by 0.88 to 250.20, showcasing a strong positive trend. Meta Platforms gained 1.3%, yet faced a strong negative trend and downward volatility. Lastly, NVIDIA dropped 1.7% to 195.19, but maintains a very strong positive trend overall.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Leading the charge, Bitcoin is currently up, reaching 103,629. The momentum climbing over 2,038.47. While enjoying a positive day, it's under a strong negative trend and experiencing significant downward volatility. Similarly, Ethereum is up by 141.59 at 3,434.17, despite strong downward pressures. Analyzing key returns, Bitcoin's impressive year-to-date gain reached over 11%. Yet, its weakened month showed declines below 6% each. Ethereum mirrored, dipping 12% weekly while holding a 3% increase for the year. BNB showed strength year-to-date with about 36% growth, countering weekly downs.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is rising against the euro at 0.8699, gaining 0.0017. It's showing a strong positive trend with significant volatility over 8 days. Meanwhile, it advances against the British pound as well, currently at 0.7661, with a breakout after 3 days of consolidation.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts, Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.